Guys, when you install new LEDs, you will get a hyper flash on your vehicle, and to stop this you have to install resistors. I'm going to show you how to install resistors on your Chevy Cruze. Alright, we have the resistor here, and we have the tail light. This is the Chevy Cruze tail light. The red wire and the black wires. I want to show you guys how to do this on the Chevy Cruze. You can see the wire is pretty good on here. Resistor, black one here, is on the red, so I'm going to connect this one to the black wire. Halfway in the middle, so if there's any problems, I can fix it. So I'm going to go on the inside here again, like I did the other one. So we got the wires in there. When this pushes down, it kind of catches it. So you give it a little bit of pressure, and then you kind of snap it in. So I got it in there. Just gotta listen for that little snap. I just ended up stopping the video and getting something to press these down. I got the resistor in. I'm going to take all this apart. Yeah, that's a that's a Camaro. He must have just got a new exhaust. So yeah. As I was saying, I'm gonna go ahead and take the light out, the light bulb, and then show you guys how it looks. And this is how it's gonna look. So let me get a closer view of this. So I didn't have any tools, so I basically had to use that clamp. So I didn't like the way that video was going, so I didn't want to really do the video like that. So what you're going to do when you splice in, clamp down like that, and that will splice the wires. I'll clean this up later, that dirt down there. So what I did here is I just covered the entire splicing clip here. That should give it a little bit of protection. Didn't do a great job, but it's going to do for now. As long as this is all covered up, that's pretty good. This might look intimidating, but I'm just letting you know it's very easy. If you have a 2016 Gen 2 to 2019, from what I know, the black wire and the red wire. All right, I went ahead and cleaned it out just a little bit. Seems like I got some vinyl tape glue here. I just wiped it down real quick. I'm going to be using these screws here. These are stainless steel oval Phillips sheet metal screws. There we go. So here's the resistor, and these are the little tiny screws, and I'm going to mount them down in there, like right here, because the the tail light slides directly over it and is not going to be touching anything. Right here actually is recessed, so it's perfect. The tail light is going to slide right over it. So I'm going to make a tiny pilot hole right here, as you can see, right here. There's the pilot hole. And then the other hole I'm going to make right here. So I got both of the holes here. Now I'm going to go ahead and drill the screws in. Alright, so let me unscrew that a little bit. It's nice and tight on there. Alright, so we got one side in. Tape job here, but I just want to make sure this has extra protection. This is pretty much it. Just mounting this down, splicing the red and black wire, and you're done. It's very simple. So let's go ahead and put the light back on. And the resistor is in. Alright, I got the turn signal bulbs in, and they're not hyper flashing. So the resistors worked, and I don't have to worry about hyper flashing anymore. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. I know that there's a lot of people who follow the Cruze, and they're probably wondering which wires to splice into. So once you get the resistors installed, you can install any LED lights you want. So yeah guys, hope you liked the video. Hit the like button and subscribe.